Bullish NEXO cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.95 and $5.56 by 2030. Market examiners accept NEXO could reach $2.29 by 2025. Bearish NEXO market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.523591. NEXO presentation. Researchers learned one thing on account of the development of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation and their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked vigorously to foster a unique digital currency that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood money. We should take a gander at the coin outline prior to getting into an exhaustive value expectation of the NEXO cost. What is NEXO? NEXO clients might help credits got by cryptographic forms of money through NEXO, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a positive option for clients. The NEXO stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt credit in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are quickly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the NEXO card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. The universe of installments has all the earmarks of being going to go through a total change, thanks to NEXO, which is likewise a beneficial venture decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction money trades has been a conspicuous part of NEXO. The principal advantage shoppers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. NEXO major investigation. Regardless of being based on blockchain calculations, NEXO is incredibly defenseless and, as other cryptographic forms of money, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments NEXO offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. NEXO's cost moved from $0.558 to $0.987 during April and May 2018. A critical increment that proposed a huge degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Be that as it may, it showed basically level force until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of NEXO had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents, yet it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of $0.5 level. Suddenly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed horrible showing, the NEXO cost showed dependability, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a huge expansion in force. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a NEXO cost drop, as indicated by NEXO's own measurements. It oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million supporters overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of more than 40 critical digital forms of money are upheld, including the NEXO token, along with Bitcoin, Ether, Ashia, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is much of the time lower, clients can procure up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was creating 7%. NEXO has amazing trust polit evaluations, but there are additionally plainly a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. The cost of NEXO has a brilliant standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady dependability, the NEXO cost expectation appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our NEXO cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many undertakings will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the most exorbitant cost forecast, making NEXO a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The NEXO value forecast is supposed to rise quickly over an extended time, as per all suitable cost expectation information. NEXO is as of now worth $0.654493 United States dollars. NEXO has moved 0.79% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,423,395. NEXO is as of now position 101 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $391,111,143 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union disparity, MACD. From the graph above, we can decide cost designs for NEXO. NEXO, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous NEXO market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. NEXO Value Forecast 2023. NEXO, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. NEXO. The NEXO cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.981704. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.916257 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon, given expected joint efforts and headways. NEXO is supposed to have a base worth of $0.785363. NEXO Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. NEXO cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of NEXO will before long outperform $1.64. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the NEXO's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, NEXO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.31 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.44. NEXO Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.29, and NEXO might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. NEXO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.09 and a low of $1.96 in 2025. NEXO Value Expectation 2026. Assuming NEXO effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the NEXO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, NEXO will be green in 2026. The NEXO is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $2.95, with a base cost of $2.62 and a typical cost of $2.75. NEXO Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the NEXO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.40 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.27 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, NEXO has a most extreme value worth of $3.60. NEXO Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.06. In the event that NEXO